Day 31 of Journey to a Millionaire. I've had a huge day. It was day one of Richmond Dins, who owns Point One. He's a coacher. He's running a 3-day workshop that I've been part of. And I've taken a lot of notes and taken in a lot of knowledge today from that. So I'll quickly just give you the 6 limiting beliefs that he says that we all have or place on ourselves. The first one is periodic, and this is just being inconsistent. And people say, oh, I can't be consistent. But if you can consistently do the wrong thing, then you can be consistent. P2 is procrastination. Everyone knows what this is. A simple way to fix this is just eliminating everything and saying, I will do nothing except this task. I can sit here and do nothing, and only when I want to do something, this task can be done. I believe that one was from Jerry Seinfeld, that little piece. P3 is perfectionist. And I mean, I've spoke about perfectionism in a previous video, but being a perfectionist really just means everything's going to get put back until the perfect moment. This is never going to happen. P4 now is the pretender. Pretending gets you nowhere and action gets you everywhere. So you might as well act and stop pretending like it's not the right time to do something. P5 is the pleaser. And this is for people that are doing everything else other than what is needed to do for themselves, or not making the statements that they need to make to move their business forward. And they worry about offending people. And P6 is pride. And this is not the positive pride as in taking pride in your work, but it's the ego pride. It's the not asking for help pride. And it's the I'm not going to help myself pride. Thanks.